Do you like to burp?
Mm-hmm.
Show me. Is that the best you can do? Can you burp the alphabet? Not only did it skip a lot of letters, you can't burp in between them. You have to burp while you say the letter. Try again.
B.
Burp your name.
Matthew.
Is there any other skills you'd like to share with us? Do you have any other skills you'd like to share with us? What does that mean? Like licking your elbows, wiggling your ears? Can you wiggle your ears? I meant without your hand.
I can't.
You can't just, wiggle your ears?
Can you do that? Oh.
Lick your toe.
Did you see my ears wiggle?
Yes.
Can you do yours? Do you think they're moving? They're not moving. Those are your eyebrows. Do you know where your ears are? Yeah, move your ears, not your eyebrows. You're going to have to practice, aren't you?
Lick your toe.
I can't.
Can you lick your elbows?
I can't.
Can you fit your hand inside your mouth?
All of it. Fist. Your whole fist. Come on, get in there. Can you burp and fart at the same time?
No.
Have you tried?
Yes.
Try now. Is that all for now?
Yes.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.